Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm troubleshooting a Midea induction cooker with a frustrating fault. It heats intermittently, starting and stopping repeatedly. When you face this, the first things to suspect are the synchronization circuit and the power adjustment circuit. I'll be testing the A2K sync resistors and the power adjust potentiometer. In this case, while the resistors were fine, the 500 ohm variable resistor had drifted and become an open circuit. In this video, I'll show you how to measure these components properly and why replacing a tiny 501 preset can restore smooth, continuous heating. Let's get into the repair.